Parents must pay attention to radon levels in their homes. Your child's health might be under deadly assault. It could be due to radon gas in your home.
As we told you, January is Radon Action Month. The colorless, odorless gas causes an estimated 21,000 lung cancer deaths every year. But here's the thing, you may not even realize just how real that problem is here in Northeast Ohio.
The EPA and the Surgeon General's office have approximated over 20,000 lung cancer deaths are caused by exposure to radon gas. Children are more susceptible to the lasting effects of radon since their bodies are still developing. The only way to know if your home has a radon problem is to test. Every home should have a radon detector. If you have any questions about radon gas, please let me know.